giving you the courage to also be yourself. It seems na kwento mo na he truly, truly gives you importance and loves you. So, ano gusto mo sabihin sa kanya?
Thank you. Yun talaga kasi, ay, nako. Hindi, pero, hindi kasi, yung pinaparamdam niya ngayon. Parang ngayon ko na-feel na, oo, gusto talaga niya ako. And babae ako sa relasyon na to. Yun, na parang, yung kung ano yung meron kami yung samahan namin na ibibigay talaga niya ako ano yung mga na-miss out ko before. Kasi parehas kaming giver na give lahat. So, yun lang, thank you.
Ang ganda no? Kasi nice to be a giver and to find someone who's also a giver. Oh, I love, bongga. Ano gusto mo sabihin sa kanya?
Ay, nako, I guess, I appreciate everything that he is and everything that he wants to become because he tells me also his plans for his life. I'm grateful na God allowed for us to meet each other, and then God surprises me with someone like him na walang effort, it just flows smoothly. Yeah, something like that. It's parang sabi niya magic. Oh, yeah, parang ganon. Kasi kahit siya nagugulat na sobrang magkasundo kami without even trying, without pretense.
Ba't ka agree? Ganon din kayo.
My message ako kay Papa Jack, pag sinabi mo man, I really appreciate it. Pero bitter, no. Traumatized, yes. In denial, maybe.
Hindi
Kasi I still have to discover that for myself. Kaya I'm staying single muna to enjoy life and to discover myself.
Pag dumating yung babae,
ready na
lahat ng gestures na yan, hindi na gesture pero way of life para sa'yo ulit. At yung hindi mo na ma-feel na kailangan kang mag-report for duty, kundi talagang gusto mong paalam sa kanya nasan ka, then go for
Love
it.
life always.
Okay. Thanks ha. We really learned so much. Ang dami kong na-pick up from all of you talaga.